The pros and cons of gunmetal tapware. Dear friends, are you leaning towards gunmetal tapware in your new build or renovation? Check out the pros and cons of gunmetal tapware and why it's becoming a popular finish of choice. If you're looking for a similar tone to chrome tapware, with the boldness of matte black, gunmetal tapware should be a key contender in your design. There has been an increased demand in the gunmetal finish as it looks like a dark chrome, yet it's more understated than the contrast of a matte black finish. You could describe gunmetal as the tapware finish between chrome and matte black, yet it holds its own merit as a standalone finish. Here are the list of pros and cons to using gunmetal tapware in your wet room design. Pros of gunmetal tapware. Complements most design genres and color schemes. Doesn't show fingerprints. Soap scum and watermarks aren't as visible compared to other finishes. Cons of gunmetal tapware. Cost. Gunmetal finish can cost more than other finishes. May not be available as a finish for your chosen tap design. Not always able to get the matching hardware in the bathroom. However, this can be overcome by choosing accessories with the same brand of tapware. If your bathroom is neutral, adding a cooler gunmetal tap can complement the design. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.